since we've started working with AI Studio and seeing how in a matter of days now, or even sometimes hours, depending on the complexity, we can spin up and generate and put into production an AI app that solves a specific content problem, it's almost keeping ourselves like containing the excitement and being like, all right, what is this roadmap? And the roadmap that previously would have been outlined over months can now be outlined over weeks, but really trying to understand what are the problems we want to solve. But even bigger than that, I think, is bringing more end users into the process and really teaching people the power of prompting and how to use the no code side and how that can end up helping create a whole front end app that others in the company can use. Because I think the more people see the power of that, the more empowered they feel to take on even more problems. And I think that is probably the most fun and exciting part, especially that we see in the next few months.